Here is the question. The question asks, rank the following projects in the order of their desirability according to the NPV method. Here we are given with two projects. Okay, it is named as project A and project B. Just think we are going to make purchase a mission. Okay, we have two alternatives before us. We can either purchase mission A or mission B. Now, when we have asked for a proposal, the company producing mission A told that on the first year, with the help of this mission, we will get 5,000 rupees. Second year, we can make 10,000 rupees. Third year, we can make 10,000 rupees. Fourth year, we can make another 3,000 rupees. And fifth year, finally, we will get 2,000 rupees. They're telling about 5 years income generation from the mission because they believe after 5 years, this mission should have to be sold as a scrap and it will not generate any more income. Okay. Similarly, the project B, uh, just take it as mission B. Okay, a person spelling a mission named B. He also said that if you buy the mission B for the first year, that mission will give 20,000 rupees. Second year, it will give 10,000 rupees. Third year, it will be 5,000. Fourth year, 3,000, and fifth year, it will give 2,000 rupees. This is what both project A and project B, or take it as mission A and mission B, will give over 5 years. Okay, after 5 years, it will become completely useless. So they're telling for the coming 5 years, what income we can generate from the project, or in other words, what income we can generate from the missions we are going to buy. Now, what are the initial investments here? Here, for the project A, we should invest 20,000. For project B, we should invest 30,000. Now, let's see which project is profitable when we consider the time value of money, that is the present value of each receipt we receive after years. See, none of the receipts are given right now. We receive this amount only after operating the machine or being with the project for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or something. We have learned that in the NPV method, we consider the time value of money. In other words, the value of money received after a time period is not same as the amount received today. We can just see how to solve this question. So here we have project A, project B. The discount rate is given. Just forget about all other things. The discount rate is given here. Project A, project B is given. The investment is given. And let's see the amount we will receive over 5 years is given here. Okay, now what is the first thing to do? We are going to evaluate the NPV, the net present value of both projects individually. So, first of all, give a heading project A. We are going to see what is happening, what is going to happen to project A. Afterwards, we can look into project B. Okay, now we have project A. First, right here, the first column of evaluation, the table we create for evaluation should be here. Okay, the next column should say the cash inflow, or in other words, it is the expected cash inflow. Okay, the cash inflow we expect over the years. And what's the third thing? The third thing should be the discount rates given here over the 5 years. So after cash flow, right, discount discount rate or discount factor. Okay, discount factor. After that, last and final column should be discounted cash flow. Discounted cash flow. Okay, fine. Now we have the headings. Remember, we are going to prepare a table showing or evaluating the projects. Okay, the projects have 5 years, so we can have 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Yes, of course. For the continuous 5 years data is given here. 5 years. Okay, now just copy the cash flow of project A as per given in the question. Remember, it is not just cash inflow, it is the expected cash inflow. The expected cash we will generate with the help of the mission in the upcoming 5 years. Here it is given in the first year. Yeah, how much we will generate? We will generate 5,000. In the second year, we will generate 10,000. Third year, we will generate another 10,000. And the fourth year we will generate 3000. Oh, sorry. Ah, yeah, it's correct. Fourth year will generate 3000. Finally, the last year we will get a 2000 rupees. This is what the project A promises. The person who is trying to propose us is promising these cash flows in the upcoming 5 years. Now, since we are a person who expect at least 10 percentage of interest, 10 percentage discount rate, the present value for rupees 1 is given. When we multiply each cash flow to this present value, we will get the equivalent present value for 5,000, 8,000, etc. We can see what to do. Now we are given with the discount factors here. Just copy paste it. 0.909, 0.826. Don't forget to put the point or else you will spoil everything. 0.751 for the third year, for the fourth year. Please make sure you are right parallel to the years. Okay. See, in the fourth year we have written 0.683 because it is given like that. Okay, in the fifth year it is 0.621. Don't mess up with it. Make sure you are right in the correct order. Now we have written the years, we have written the expected cash inflows, and we have the discount factor with us. So what we are going to do, we are just going to multiply 5,000 into 0.909. We have the calculator here. Please no calculator. Okay. We have 5,000 into 0.909. The answer is 4,545. So we can write here 4,545. What does it mean? It means that, please understand, if you are a person who expect that your investment should get at least 10 percentage of return, okay, and you are forgetting that, you are foregoing that opportunity and investing that in somewhere else. That means the 5,000 you receive from some place after 1 year, for a person who is expecting at least 10 percentage return, is equivalent to just 4,545 received today. That is how we discount. We are just seeing it, which one is better, receiving 5,000 after 1 year or receiving 4,545 today. As per your expectation, if you expect 10 percentage of interest at least to be earned from your investment, this is the best better one. We are just seeing the better one. Okay, then only we can make comparison. This is the underlying concept. If you find it difficult to understand the concept, just understand 5,000 receiving after 1 year is equal to just 4,545 because the discount rate we consider is 10%. Just to understand that. Okay, whatever it may be, what you have to do, you have to just write the year, write the cash flow, write the discount rate as given in the question, multiply the cash flow with discount rate or the discount factor, you will get discounted cash flow. So 5,000 into 0.909 is given as 4,545. Similarly, multiply for each year. Now we can do for the next year. It is clear all, 10,000 into 0.826. What is the answer? Most expected 8,260. We can write here 8,260. Now we can go for the next year. Yeah, it would be 7,510. And for the next year, fourth year, it is 3,000 into 0.683. I'm just multiplying the parallel cash flow with the parallel discount factor. The answer is 2049. 2049. Then we have the last year's cash inflow, that is 2,000 into 0.621. The answer is 1242. 1242. Now what we can do? We need the sum of discounted cash inflow. So with the help of cash inflow and discount factor, we have found the discounted cash inflow. Now we need what? We need the sum of discounted cash inflow. Just take the sum. That is 4,545 plus 8,216 plus 7,510 plus 2049 plus 1242. The answer is, yeah, 23,606. So we can write it down here. The sum of discounted cash inflow is equal to, what was the sum? It is 20,000. I just forgot. Let me see. It was not 20,000. It was 23,006, not 6. Okay, this was the discounted cash inflow. Now, how can we find NPV? NPV, or the net present value, is equal to what? It is the difference between sum of discounted cash inflow and initial investment. Please understand, if you are seeing some textbook, it will be given as discounted cash outflow. It is correct. It is the correct one. What I am telling you is wrong. We can't just simply say initial investment. But for your sake, understand, your questions will not be that much complicated. Sometimes if you are making investment over a different period of time, after 1 year, 2 year, again making investment means what? You would have to take the discounted cash outflow here. But in most of your question, only initial investment will be given. So don't worry, we can take it as the formula of NPV. Now, what is this equal to? We know for project A, we have just found the sum of discount cash flow 23,606. And we know what was the initial investment we made. It was for the project, it was 20,000. So what is the what difference between 23,606 and 20,000? It is 3,606. When we direct, we will get 3,606. This is the net present value. In common math word, it is the profit someone makes from project A. The same procedure have to be repeated to find the NPV of project B. Remember, you have to write the year, write the cash inflow, write the discount factor. The discount factor is same for project A and project B. Okay. You have to multiply cash inflow with discount factor. You will get discounted cash inflow. Then you have to find the sum of this discounted cash inflow. Now let me see what the answer will come for project B. Okay, I did the same to project B, and here is the answer. For the year one, the cash inflow was 20,000. The discount factor was 0.909. When we multiply 20,000 into 0.909, we will get the discounted cash inflow, that was 80,800. Sorry, 80,118. Similarly, when we do for the 5 years, we will get the 5 years discounted cash inflow. We have to take the sum of this discounted cash inflow, that is sum of discounted cash inflow will be equal to 33,486. NPV can be found by the same formula, that is discounted cash inflow sum minus initial investment, that is 33,486 minus, if you remember, the investment was the initial investment, yeah, 30,000 rupees minus 30,000 rupees. So what is the difference? The difference is 3,486 rupees. Now, when you look here, we got the NPV 3,606. Here we got 3,486. Now, which has the highest NPV? Just think from a common man side. Which project gives the highest profit? Of course, it is project A, isn't it? But remember, what was the question? Yeah, rank the following project in the order of desirability according to NPV method. Here we know the project A has highest NPV, so it is more desirable than project B. That is how we should conclude this question. Okay. If it was to select among one, of course we can select project A, but remember, the question is not to select one. We have to give a conclusion here. I will just give a conclusion, a simple one. Since the NPV, the net present value of project A is higher than project the project A is ranked over project B. Enough. Or else you can put another table writing the rank 1, rank 2, project A, project B as per you like. We are just asked to give what? Ranking to the project over its desirability. Hope the concept is clear for you. If you still feel any doubt, please let me know. This is very important question, most often repeated in your question papers, so take it seriously. Thank you all.